Hey, I'm Steve, and I just put together this Farini office chair, and I'm giving it its first spin and roll. My wife ordered this for her art room, and of course I'm the one that had to put it together, and she is loving it. So here's some shots. I've got everything unboxed. Really simple install. The only tool you need is this Allen wrench, and they include that. Everything just screws in or pops on like these wheels. The instructions were very easy to read, and total time to put this thing together was maybe 15 minutes. So here's just some shots of the install as I'm putting everything together. The back of the seat has this lumbar adjustment, and that's pretty cool. And all you do is just slide it into the position where you want it, and it'll give you that extra back support, and that's what my wife needed. It does come with a headrest. She doesn't want that, so I'm not going to install that for her. But as you can see, it's just a simple install. 2 screws if you want to use it. It's a really good looking chair, and definitely a upgrade from what she was using. She was hurting her back while she was painting and everything, but she loves this one. She'll be able to roll around everywhere in this chair. Let me give you some close-ups of the kind of a nylon weave webbing material on this. It's very comfortable, but here's a close-up. She loves this chair, and I think you will too. So if you are looking at this Farini office chair, I hope you found my video helpful.